What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Are we still bullish on Shib? Now, remember, Shibarium is up and running. We're waiting for the automatic burns to come in, but is Shib still relevant? Does it still have a place in the next bull run, or is it all about Solana meme coins? We're going to break down everything going on with Shib and why I think you should not be fading Shib right now. So if that's something you're interested in and you want to stay up to date in the cryptocurrency space, smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, and hit the like, and drop a comment down below why you're bullish on Shib. And with that being said, let's take a quick look of where the market sits. New day here in the UK, looking like we enter the weekend. Retail fancying a bit of a spending spree. Now, we're seeing meme coins absolutely run right now on Solana, the new thing, but Shiba Inu quietly starting to build. Yes, we gained a 0.9294, the current price, 1.63% up, on the day. Volume around 147 million. So still a little bit of work to do with Shib, but there is more and more being built around the background. A lot of people have moved on. A lot of people don't talk about Shib right now on YouTube. We're trying to keep you up to date with everything that's going on. And I guess the big question here is there still a relevancy attached to Shiba Inu? Is it still going to rocket in the next bull run? Well, I think yes. And I think a lot of people do. 1.2 million holders believe that we are starting to get it. And interestingly, we start to see some accumulation ahead of that. Per in the block data, 70.45 trillion Shib were bought by 106,500 addresses in that price range with the 8-9 and acts as immediate support for the Shib price. Like we said, Shib hasn't had the best of runs right now. We see it sort of lose the zero, gain the zero again, and it's very, very interesting. But what we do know is people are accumulating. A lot of people expect Shib to make a big play. Now they have Shibarium, and I think the team potentially waiting to really signal that burn, turn the tap up. Remember, transactional volume will be really, really key for what happens. Also, we see this in terms of the Shiba Inu layer 2 Shibarium sustained growth in its daily transaction, making 2.63 million transactions in the last 24 hours. Shibarium's network metric has likely grown at a significant rate since the launch of August 23. Now over 294, nearly 295 million wallet addresses. Absolutely fantastic. Transactions, wallet addresses about 1.3 million. So lots of positive things. Shibarium really starting to scale, and I think this is where we get to in the next bull run, that Shib will absolutely have its moment. Now, if you're interested in buying Shib, I have partnered up with Fairdesk. There is a link in the description if you want to check it out. They have some fantastic leverage trade options as well as all of your spot options for crypto. Now, good news, they have even given me the opportunity to give two of you free $25 to come and trade on their platforms. Drop your favorite cryptocurrency in the comments and we'll pick two of you and I'll send you a message so that you can come over here and try the fantastic platform that there is. All of your favorite cryptocurrencies, leverage trading up to 200x on a number of them, and likewise you can get all your spot purchases. So check out the link in the description if you're interested in Fairdesk. Now, let's get back to Shib, and in terms of what they're doing, we also, like I said, the more and more accumulation, particularly around the whales. See there, massive 4.2 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, equivalent to $38 million were transferred from Bitvavo exchange to an unidentified wallet. And we see this a lot actually at the minute with a lot of meme coins as well as some of those fringe cryptos. A lot of people are stacking them, and I think it's so important to reference. The transfer could signal a strategic investment maneuver ready for the market, and we see this a number of times across Shiba Inu. So definitely worth keeping an eye on what the whales are doing, why are they accumulating, and what is their plan on the back of it. So let's take a look at the price right now on Shib. Like we said, down at that kind of 931 range, but interestingly, as we start to look on this data, we can see that Shib's on a nice upward trend. Now, a couple of points to reference. We are unfortunately below the 200 moving average. We want to see this move. We actually have a strong sell signal on the charts right now. Chart Prime, once again, check that link in the description. But look, we're looking for a push to the upside. I think if market sentiment comes with us, we could break above the 200 moving average on our way back up to here. So you'll see this line. This is a 240-minute or a 4-hour candle in terms of where we've got strong support on the history of this chart. That's where we're looking for. That's the price range. I'd be looking at the 9.6 just before we once again break and lose that zero. Likewise, we have a slightly upper range, obviously, at that when that zero goes. So some really important bits. Now, if we see a slightly more bearish market, we could see us come all the way down, potentially even in that 8.6 range, and looking for a potential bounce. You saw it, we hit it here. Likewise, we broke through here, but come back pretty strong. So we know, like I said on that initial part of the video, a strong support level around that 8 mark. So look, my view, do not fade Shib. There is a lot in the background. Shibarium's coming, automatic burns are coming, and everyone is set for a gigantic and monumental bull run. And I think Shib, well, it's going to be up there. But as ever, don't forget, drop my favorite cryptocurrency down in the comments. 2 of you will get that opportunity to trade $25, $50 in total on that Fair Desk exchange. And if you're interested, check out the link and sign up below. Until the next one, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.